Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can use the buttons found within the Page Setup button group on the Design tab of the Report Tools contextual tab in the ribbon to change the setup of a report prior to printing the report. You can click the Page Breaks button in the Page Setup button group on the Design tab of the Report Tools contextual tab in the ribbon to display a dashed line wherever the page breaks will occur within the report when printed using the currently applied Page Setup parameters. You can click this button again to hide the display of those dashed lines. You can click the Margins button in the Page Setup button group on the Design tab of the Report Tools contextual tab in the ribbon, and then select a width of margins to apply to the currently displayed report from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also select the Custom Margins command in the drop-down menu to open the Page Setup dialog box for the current report and display the Margins tab. Here you can set the margins for the report by entering values into the boxes shown for each side of the report. You can then click the OK button to apply them. Also note the other tabs within the Page Setup dialog box, which you can use to completely customize the setup of your report prior to printing it if desired. You can click the Orientation button in the Page Setup button group on the Design tab of the Report Tools contextual tab in the ribbon, and then select a page orientation to use for the report from the drop-down menu that appears. The choices are Portrait or Landscape. You can click the Size button in the Page Setup button group on the Design tab of the Report Design Tools contextual tab in the ribbon, and then select a paper size to which you want to print the report from the drop-down menu that appears.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.